Hi, this is Ken Goldman with MarineMax Fort Myers, and today I'd like to take you through a 2020 Boston Whaler 280 Outrage. Notice the anchor, stainless steel polished through the stem. Very nice blue with a red accent stripe. Large hard top with three-sided glass windows. This boat is equipped with twin Verado 350s, 4 strokes. Notice the underwater lighting, trim tabs, and a 4-step transom reboarding ladder. Continuing on at the transom, you have a swim platform, a transom gate, an easily stowable 3-person seat. This boat is equipped with the optional fishing package, which includes a prep station, live well, sink, large number of rod holders, all well situated, 2 underfloor fish boxes, very comfortable helm seats with flip-up bolsters, flip-up armrests, ergonomically designed helm, digital throttle and shift, large Raymarine multifunction display, electronics box, powered vent on the front window, storage in the hardtop for life jackets, very large and roomy head compartment with vacuum flush head, rod storage, a large amount of bow space with a huge coffin box, seating for 2 with flip-up armrests, and once again a significant amount of storage, including 2 Boston Whaler red 5-gallon buckets. This boat has a windlass, between the hardtop and the 3-sided glass. You're nice and dry, even in wet conditions. This is both a great family boat and fishing boat, multi-purpose, multifunction. For more information, please call MarineMax Fort Myers. We'd be glad to help.